Hello everyone, this is Kiran Malache's. So until the main video is going to start, you will have to wait a lot. So enjoy the cinematics. These are some trees which I have planted nearby my home, that means in front of my home, which looks very awesome in rainy season. I like to plant the different types of trees in front of home because the way trees decorate to our home, none of any another thing have that much ability. I get very less time to spend with my family and home, and for that I try to spend every moment very happily at home. Early morning my father and brother are repairing the bike because they had got some fault in bike.
Hello everyone, this is Kiran Malche. So yesterday I had came at home, and in this video I am going to share a small home tour of my house. And after some time we are going at farm, so that also you can enjoy. So guys, this is my small house. Here you can see the bed, and after that my some paintings are hanging out on the wall, and in this side you can see some stuff, and also two paintings are hanging out there. And come with me. So this is a small kitchen area, and she's my mother. After that my father is here with just support system of me, and after that, come here. This is also a small room, and if you are just feeling too much hot, so we have the small cooler here. So that one bed here, and here we can see the some stuff. Basically we belongs from the farming. For that we have the lot of stuff at our home. If you are the farmer, then you must have knowledge about this. So guys, my mother fears to the gas too much, and for that till now she used that stove, which is so much beneficial for us.
Due to the work and due to the some reason I am visiting to the farm after so many days, and we have planted the cotton here. Can you see that both trees? That trees had been planted by me. After looking at the camera, this child was hiding his face from the camera because he do not want to come in front of you and also in front of camera. But then also I shoot the videos.
And now we are at farm, and look at our farm.
After that I start wandering with my brother here and there, and the crop which you can see behind me is sugarcane.
So guys, I'm wandering nearby riverside, and this is the river where we used to do the lot of fun when I was at home with my brothers.
After wandering at the farm and nearby river, I start the journey towards the home. After some time we came at the town for changing the tires of bike.
So guys, with all this I'm going to end this vlog here, and if you like the video then don't forget to share this video with your friends and also subscribe the channel for more interesting videos.